My name is Pauline Ogango. I am the Program Officer Education at Elimu Resource Centre. And one of the major activities that we have when it comes to education is the mobile digital learning. We have been working with government school, private school, and special institutions like the prison, the rescue center, and the correction center for the students also. We started in 2016. Our main aim for this project is to improve literacy and numeracy among the students. Over the time, we've had students who come in without them not having knowledge of reading and writing, and while they are leaving the facilities, being guided by the studies that we give them, you find that their literacy and numeracy level have improved. Also, we've had students who do their national examination while they're staying at this special institution, and they end up performing very well in their end year examinations. Some of them are at the verge of even stopping their further studies, but seeing that somebody cares to them, an organization cares so much about them and want to impact them academically, that is my motivation, because these people are losing hope and you're bringing a smile into their faces at the end of the day.
We find that more of these prisoners older than 40 years, some have not even gone to school. They've been taught how to write their own name. And if you sit with them and see their minds, you see if these people had education earlier, most of that they did, they could not have done.